Speaking of older trucks, has anybody been seeing on Facebook, somebody, I know the guy's name, I'm not going to drop his name here, but somebody made a replica of the Green Goblin truck from the movie Maximum Overdrive. Now somebody has the original head, I think he's in North Carolina, somebody has the original Green Goblin head that was damaged when he blew the truck up, or a truck up, in the movie. And that head was rebuilt, fixed up, and the guy travels the head around in a trailer as a display. Now that's pretty cool in and of itself. But this dude built an exact replica of the truck from the movie. In the movie, it was I think an 81 white Western Star. I think the model was 4900. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know my Western Stars that well. Complete with the Detroit engine, so it has that crazy sound. It's got the identical stacks on it, just like in a movie. It's amazing, the videos I've seen. And I'd love to see that truck. I did reach out to the owner, talk to him on Facebook Messenger. I'm not going to mention his name, but if you look around, you might be able to find it. But I certainly want to do a video with that truck. Try to get him some more exposure. That would be badass if I could do a video with that thing. Just like I did with the cars back in the day, or like we filmed Orwell going through Chicago using the car as a camera car. And that would be badass. So I'm hoping to get that done. So if you're the owner of that Green Goblin truck, want to make a video, check out the video of this truck going through Chicago. And that was with me in the truck, not me filming. That was Matt filming, Jen driving the car with multiple GoPros on it. Alrighty, paperwork's dropped off. Bouncy, bouncy. Here we go. Questions and comments about shifting and how I do it without my clutch. Well, I only need my clutch to start and stop. Put it in reverse, I'll back up a little bit, make it easier. Now the clutch is completely engaged, there's no need for it. Out of reverse in the, well, 1, 2, for lack of a better term, that should be low, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a selector here that I throw. That puts me in a high range. Then this button here, the red button, is for splitting. But because we're a 13 speed, I can only split the high side, which is when the forward switch is all the way up. I'm not gonna make an entire video on how to shift a semi-truck, or maybe we will. Certainly not doing it now. First to second, just take it out of gear and wait for the engine RPM to come down to where the gears would mesh properly without grinding. With one gear is spinning at the same speed as the other, it's almost like they're stationary and it'll slide in and out of gear easy. Second, third, fourth. The next gear would be having to throw this valve, but it only changes when it's in neutral. Come to a stop, we're gonna make a left. We are loaded, so we're going to pull out first. Out of fourth, into first. Well, it's not an electronic engine. You do need to give her a little bit of throttle to get her going. Come off the clutch. That's it. Listen to the engine as I work my hand. Now I'm in the first gear of the high side, which affectionately would be fifth. Again, making a left, step on the clutch, completely disengage the engine from the truck. Push this down, listen. Well, you don't hear it, but it's there. And then back into the same position. We have to take it out and put it back in for that slide, air slide in the transmission to actually do the shift from high range back down to low. Again, we're in first gear. Come on, dude, get on it. Now we're going to high. We'll run this one out. Reposition your selector. Shift. Reposition your selector. Down. Off the throttle and shift it down on the throttle. I'll wait a little while. Reposition, next position. There you go. That is how you shift to 13 speed. And that is how you shift to 13 speed without the clutch.
Everything is so abstract, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that smile like a dagger hit me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around.